I'm doing a mystery box giveaway. This isn't Knit Crate, but this is the box I'm choosing to use for the mystery box. All you need to do is comment down below something crochet related, be a subscriber. This is not a YouTube sponsor or promoted by YouTube. This is promoted by me and affiliated not with YouTube. I will pick a winner in a couple of weeks with a random comment picker, so please come back to see if you're the winner. I have a crochet crochet Facebook group and page if you would like to join, and also 2 Amazon crochet books that I wrote that are on Amazon listed down below, and some crochet mugs on Etsy and Knit Crate and all of that down below if you'd like to take a look. But to participate, just be a subscriber and type in something on the comments that's crochet related, perhaps something you're crocheting or what you'd like to see in future videos. Now this giveaway, I was going through some of my stuff and I came across this book that I never used, and I probably used it once, but I thought, oh, I'll just use this as a giveaway. So this is Yarn Booties for Babies, 10 crochet designs. So you're going to get this. It's full of little booties. So if you know somebody's having a baby, or if you're having a baby, this is a great book to use. Many different types of booty patterns. You can maybe tell me which one is your favorite. I know I'm going through them fast. It's probably hard to say, but there's one. Here's another one. I think they're all adorable. This one's called Tickled Pink. This one's Sunshine Booties. And so there's 10 of them. And I think I got this one at Walmart years ago. So I'm doing this as a giveaway, but also my aunt gave me these fun furs, and they're black and orange, which is great for Halloween. Would be great to make a scarf with. So I have 4 of them all together. And these fun furs, they used to be super popular, but they're still fun, and to make a scarf out of it or something like that, it's really pretty. So orange and black, and this booklet, this is the giveaway. And just comment down below. I'll pick a winner with a random comment picker. Please be a subscriber, and you have to type in something as a comment down below so I can pick somebody. You know, something crochet related. And you can look me up on Facebook with my group and page if you haven't already. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe.